In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do multi-shot with Magnific AI Desktop. We'll walk through creating a set of varied shots from a single image using Magnific's Variations tool, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along on your first try. Start by opening Magnific, and on the left sidebar, select All Tools. From there, go into Image. This is where Magnific groups features for transforming and exploring images. Choose Variations to access the multi-shot workspace. Click Select Image to bring in the picture you want to work with. You can pick something you've already used in Magnific or upload a new file from your computer. Aim for a clean, high-resolution source if you have one. It gives the system more detail to work with. After you've chosen the file, click Add so it appears in your session. Next, choose a mode. You'll see options like Reframe, Storyboard, People, and Custom. Reframe creates alternate crops and compositions around your subject. Storyboard builds a sequence across beats or moments. People focuses on keeping a subject consistent. Custom gives you more manual control. For this walkthrough, select Reframe. Now set your perspectives. This is where you decide which viewpoints the tool should explore. Pick the perspectives that best match your creative goal, and keep your subject centered in mind as you do. Choose your layout, the number of shots you want, and the quality. Layout determines how results are organized visually. Shot count controls how many alternatives Magnific will produce in one go. Quality impacts detail. Higher quality can look better but may take a little longer to process. If you're testing ideas, start modestly, then increase quality once you've narrowed your direction. When everything looks good, click Generate. Magnific will process your request and render the set. Give it a moment to finish. You'll see your multi-shot results based on the image and settings you selected, ready for you to review and use in your project. That's it, your multi-shot workflow in Magnific AI, from setup to generation in just a few clear steps.